Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ba ba da 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 da. Ba do da ba dee do ba do da dee da. All right. Hey. What's up, guys? Yo. Yo. Hey, alters. It's Ansible time. Morning. Next step in our journey of learning. What time's it? It's learning time. Say it with me, boys. It's learning time. Let's start by getting straight into it. 192.168.1.72, port 8006. Let's hit it, bruh. What do you mean? Hello? Oh, there we go. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Okay, let's go. Yeah, folder view, nodes, all online, VMs, wait, what? Summary? Cool, cool. All right, let's get our VMs and nodes set up with Ansible. Dude, this one chatter loves Quackity. I'm sorry, he's not here right now. But I'll let him know you were here. Psych, I probably won't do that. Sorry, I'm a bitch. Okay. I think I want to reinstall the OS on this VM to begin with. You need to change your update repositories. You won't get any updates if you aren't using enterprise PROXMOX. What does that mean? Can you explain that to me in layman's terms? I can't say I 100% understand. You're also gonna have to bear with me today. Basically change where the updates get from. Okay, well, teach me. Bottom corner. Bottom corner? On phone right now, delay sucks, no worries. First of all, I want to figure out how to reinstall the OS on this VM because I didn't do it right. Jarvis, how it feels right now. Honestly, kinda. But look at how cool this is, man. I can't believe our cluster has 755 gigabytes of RAM. Does anyone here who's familiar with PROXMOX know how to reinstall the OS? Or do I have to remake the virtual machine? Anyone know? Hello? Google? You just do the same thing you did, attach the ISO, reboot the installer. But I need to create a new VM for that. How do I attach the ISO? That's what I'm struggling to do. I see DVD. I see DVD. Oh. Oh, wait. Okay. So the net install for Debian's already on. So I just start it and then get to BIOS. How do I open BIOS? No, I want to go to BIOS. What's the button? C. No. What the fuck did I just... What the fuck is that? Escape. Escape. F12? Wait, I need to boot into... No, what am I trying to do here? E to edit the command. Escape at the first screen. You were too slow. Fuck! Shut down. Yes. Wait, it didn't shut down. Why did this not shut down? Bruh? Can this VM work? You gotta reset, not shut down. Fuck, reset. Cancel that. Cancel that. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, I'll figure this out. It's escape F12 at the same time. Can't reset. Okay. Every button at once will probably be... You gotta cancel the shutdown task first. God damn it, man. I'm not hackermans enough for this. Right, it failed. Now I want to do reset. Hey! Oh, escape for boot menu. Escape for boot. How did I miss it? I pressed escape. Oh my god. Reset. Yes! Okay, what do I want here? I want 2. Hey! Graphical install. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm not used to seeing you awake at this time. What's up, Scott? Yeah, I've basically been getting up at 8 a.m. every day, dude. Alright, let's go English. Yes. We want United Kingdom. Yes. British English. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Now, don't install GNOME. I would never... I'm not a GNelf. I'm not a GNoblin. And I'm not a GNOME. It's not happening. It's not happening. Okay, well, that's doing that. We're going to also start up this and get this one working. I'm watching Jack Manifold right now. What the fuck is Jack Manifold doing right now? We'll get the graphical install going on the second one here too. You must be making the most of these extra hours you have in the day. Yeah, dude. I'm hardcore grinding. I'm hardcore grinding the server install process, dude. All right, to the second one. Cool, host name. This is going to be Wings Node 1-256 gigabyte. That's how much RAM this has. Cool. Domain name, nope. Root password. Toby Smith. Toby is fine. Hey, I'm live, by the way. All right, back to the second VM. Cool, host name. This is Wings Node 1 256 gigabytes 2. Skip. Root password. I'm making these computers work. Oh, okay. Use entire disk. Yep. 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 Okay, that's going. Back to the first VM. Right, use entire disk. Yep. 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 Cool. Back to the second VM. Look at me go, dude. Hi chat, how much pain are we in today? Well, I'm just installing the OS on my virtual machines right now. And then we're going to try and do Ansible. So where do I host Ansible then? God, this is taking forever. Alright, well, I guess while that's doing that, we'll start up. What are you? You're node 3. Okay, start up. Wake up. Graphical install time. Graphical install. Wake up. Time to go. What do you mean console connection request timed out? Don't do that. Debian 12, English, United Kingdom, British English. Use server view instead if you want to see where the machines are placed. I can see that at the top here. I like this better. Wakey, wakey. All right. Well, that's doing that. We're going to go back to VM1. Oh, it's popped out in another window. Don't want that. Okay, that's still installing the base system. Back to 2. Configuring DHCP. Hostname, you are wings-node 3 dash, I think you're 128 gigabytes. Cool. Domain name, nope. Root password. Tubbo, you should work for Mojang. I don't know shit about Java. Right, that's now going on there. Now let's check back on node 1. Oh, what's happening here? Do you wish to scat? No, don't want to do that. United Kingdom, deb.org, no. Okay, configuring apt, we'll go into this. It will probably ask me to do the same thing. No. United Kingdom, deb.org, no. Cool. Learning Java is only useful for Minecraft, right? I mean, yeah. Dude, I must be making... What's my CPU load right now? 2%? What the hell? Damn. These machines low-key kind of powerful. Not even being funny. Okay, that's still doing that. That's still doing that. What's you doing? There we go. No. United Kingdom, deb.org, no. Install. All right, on to the third. The fourth even. We got to simultaneously install 96 more nodes to hit the CPU. Yeah. Hell yeah, we do. No, Java is used a lot. I have no idea what Java does. I can't speak on it. English, UK, British English. Dude, VMs are the greatest thing ever. Most modern days apps are built on Kotlin. Oh, that is true. This is Wings, Node 4, 128 gigabyte. I believe that's right. Yep, Node 4, 128 gigabyte. Cool. Domain name, nope. Tubbo, what do you use for storage for these VMs? I'm using NVMe SSDs. I'm not running them in RAID 1 though, because I don't need to, because the files are being pulled from a NAS every single time. Oh, what? Minecraft's a very small portion of Java. It's all I know, dude. It's all I know. Dude, it's all I know. Guys, VMs might be the greatest things ever. Oh, so no shared storage. If a node goes down, does the VM migrate? Nope, not necessary. Because, it's just not necessary. It's Minecraft servers, dude. I don't see any functionality for that level of high availability for this application. You know what I mean? It's a free Minecraft server. It will crash every now and then. All right, back to node 1. Oh, hello. Nope. Node 2. Nope. Node 3. Nope. Node 4. Oh, it's still doing it. Dude, this must be slamming my network right now. This is 4 machines all installing an OS at the same time. This is crazy. $100? What are you doing? Hey, finally! No GNOME and SSH server. Oh, no, wait, we don't want Debian desktop environment, do we? Wait, do I need desktop environment or just no GNOME? I don't need desktop environment, I don't think. Standard system utilities and SSH server. I don't think you need desktop. Yeah, you don't want desktop. All right, next. Cool. On to the next VM. No desktop, no GNOME, SSH server. Continue. On to the next VM. Okay, no desktop server, no GNOME, SSH server. Next. Oh my god. Next up on this one. Are you still installing? Oh, no package survey, you freak. No Debian desktop environment, no GNOME, SSH server. Cool. First VM, back to the top now. Oh, what's happened? Pookie? Oh, it's still going. Do you want to install that? Yes, I do. This one. Cool. Next. Oh my god. Stop. Stop. Too much shit in my face. Yes. Yes. Cool. Next. Yes. Yes. Cool. Next. Yes. Yes. Cool. Hate to be that guy, but it says this last minute, but you could set up one VM and clone it 4 times now because they have different allocations. They have different allocations. So it doesn't work. Finish. Is number 1 done? Are you done? Yay! Woohoo! Number 1 is done. Number 2, are you done? Number 2. Woohoo! You're done. Number 3, are you done? Woohoo! Number 4, are you done? Woohoo! For sudo as file to modify. What are you going to use Ansible for? To be able to control all of the virtual machines and all of the nodes as well separately, so I can run the commands on all of them. Hey, Wings node 428 gigabyte login. That's so freaking sick. That's so freaking sick. Oh my god. Alright. So our Wings virtual machines are set up. Now, guys, it's Ansible time. Right. Where do we begin? Any resources, chatters? Where are my high-level nerd chatters at? Ants table time? Any Ansiblers? Okay, well, it looks like we'll learn together. Ants. Ibble. How does this work? Alright, documentation. Project documentation. Get started with Ansible. Right. Oh my god, I hate myself. This makes me hate myself. Installation guide. I hate myself. I hate myself and I hate this. Control node. For your control machine that runs Ansibles, you can use nearly any Unix-like machine with Python installed. This includes Red Hat, Debian, Ubuntu. Okay, so do we want our control node for Ansible to be a separate virtual machine? Probably, right? Right? Okay. Or should we install Ansible on the node level, or is it best to kind of compartmentalize everything into a VM? Because we can install it on the node, a VM or container, Okay, well, we'll do a VM. Maybe we make one VM. Streamer can do whatever he thinks is right. I have no clue. Maybe we do one VM for all of the services, which we cluster across the 3 nodes. How does that sound? So we make a services cluster. So that's our node exporter, that's Prometheus, that's Grafana, and that's Ansible. Did someone say Kubernetes? Wait, did I hear that correctly? Wait, did anyone hear that? Did someone say K9S? Wait. Not listening. Wait, did someone say ZFS? Wait. Wait. No. No, surely they didn't. Surely they didn't say S3 storage. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay. Wait, ZFS? I love ZFS. I'm using LVM because it's not running in RAID, but I have ZFS here. Do you have ZFS set up? Not on the nodes yet, no. I'm using LVM because they don't need to be redundant. Have a great day. I'm going to be listening to some Tub radio while rearranging my room. Tub radio? Oh god, it's more like Tub pulling my brain out radio. Okay. Right. So do we want to make a services cluster for, do we want to put all, okay, right. Right. If we make a services cluster running Docker, we can then have all of our services as containers in Docker running on the services cluster. That feels like that's the best way to do that. Because on each system, there is about, I want to say 14, on these 2 VMs here, there's 14 threads of overhead. On these, there's 28 threads of overhead. But that's not including the threads that PROXMOX is going to take up as well, which probably is only going to be like 1 or 2, to be totally honest. I'll be so honest, I have no idea how to make a cluster. PROXMOX. Ansible? Wait. PROXMOX plus Ansible equals awesomeness. This sounds like a thread I want. For a high availability cluster, you need to start with storage like Ceph, or you can do replication between nodes with ZFS. Right. What do I do if I've already allocated most of the storage? The services cluster isn't going to need more than like 50 gigs though, is it? Realistically, right? How much storage do we have on each node? 60 gigabytes free on this node about 57 gigs, this node about 57 gigs. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to basically go into Ceph. No, I'm not going to store. Let's do ZFS. I want to create. Wait, what am I doing here? Do I want to create another LVM, which I make as a ZFS cluster? Is that what I'm wanting to do here? I'm going to Avoriaz in a couple of weeks, and I lived there for the last 4 months of the year. Yeah, it needs to be ZFS. Okay, so going to ZFS, create ZFS. Right, name. I'll call this services dash drive. And then single disk. There's no unused disks. You don't have any disks available though. Right. Because all my discs are in LVM. Tubbo, what's this about? Because if Tubbo is doing it, then it must be interesting. It's Minecraft servers. You might be fucked. Here's why you want to use ZFS now. Well, can I not install ZFS separately on the VMs and do it like that with a VM drive? Is that not something I can do? Because that can still propagate over the free nodes. That's fine. That sounds like a bad idea. An Ethernet cable, are you for real? Are you RJ45? Be for real. Be for real. Well, maybe 8P8C. I don't even know what that is. Maybe I don't make it high availability then. Maybe I just host it on the main node. Because it has the most overhead. What do you think? Is that a good plan? In that case, if I'm not going to do it in high availability, then I should probably just make a separate VM for every service, right? People shrug. Guys. PROXMOX clusters should fail over as long as each disk is cloned to both servers, if I remember correctly. It's not. It's not. The PROXMOX cluster isn't sharing storage. That's not what I wanted to do. You can't do that without ZFS or Ceph, which I don't want to use. Because also, if I'm sharing storage over all the nodes, it means that I won't be able to store enough Minecraft server files for how many servers I want to run on each VM. I'm pretty sure you can sync disks without Ceph and ZFS. Look at that. But I don't know if I want to sync disks. If you have separate single disks for free nodes, you can make a ZFS. Well, all right. Here's the thing. I have 3 1 terabyte hard drives that I can attach to each node. But is that worth the extra energy these old hard drives are going to use? For also, they don't have a very high storage density. And also, when I inevitably put these systems in cases, I'll have nowhere to mount that. Is it worth? Be for real, is it worth? Because what I can do is, I can go install those hard drives now. It's your choice. ZFS is awesome. It might be awesome, but I don't know how to use it, is my problem. I don't know what my use case is for this. And I don't know if the services necessarily need to be high availability. Node exporter, Ansible, and Grafana can go down without it sacrificing the front end performance of the service, which is why I feel like high availability isn't necessarily necessary. You can also do a HA inside the VMs with a Docker cluster. Oh, then why don't we do that? Because that doesn't mean, so then basically I can create one services node, one services VM on each node. Probably, it doesn't need to be more than, honestly, 4 threads. I'm going to say it doesn't need to be more than 50 gigs, 4 threads, and like 4 gigs of RAM. I just don't see it needing more than that. Docker is actually perfect for this use case. Okay, so then what we'll do is we'll make a high availability Docker cluster. Okay, so let's start by creating a VM. We'll create one on the first node. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to increase this by, it just needs to be a free, I'm going to do these in 200. So I'll start 200. Name, I'll call this services. OS, we're going to be running Debian 12. Next up, this looks more hard than an essay. Dude, I've never written an essay in my life. This shit's easy. You just gotta, it's basically like complicated Lego. Then we're gonna want to go to main, and I want to assign, honestly, is 32 gigabytes enough? Is there a world where this doesn't use more than, what am I running on here? What am I running on here? I'm running Ansible, the controller for Ansible. I'm running Node Exporter. No, I'm not running Node Exporter. Node Exporter needs to happen on the node level, not on VM. So I'm running Prometheus. Lego, but you get fired if you place the one wrong. You can give it more storage later if you want. Yeah, so let's just start with 32 gigabytes from the main thing. We only need, there's no way this is going to need more than 4 threads. Which basically, each of these VMs has been formatted in a way where there'll be either 28 or 14 threads overhead. So that's fine. No more than 4 cores. Memory, I'll probably do about 2 gigs. I would use CPU type as host, but that's just me. What do you mean CPU type as host? What? What does CPU type as host mean? What does that do? Oh wait, should I actually have selected the type of CPU I'm running in my box? Because I think I'm running an Epic Milan. I don't think it's that important. CPU type host does that. Is that not going to cause me issues though? Because every tutorial I watched for everything else, every tutorial I watched with everything else didn't do that. What is the difference between doing CPU type host compared to the default one? You know what I'm saying? What is the difference between these two? God, my knuckles hurt from boxing, man. Ow. Ow, dude. I think I'm just going to stick with what I know works. How much RAM's this going to need? Running Debian 12. It'll probably idle at like half a gig of RAM. So maybe if we're running, each one of these is going to be running 4 containers. Maybe then we give it 4 gigs of RAM. The VM will see the CPU as the host if chosen. If default, it's another one. The default option is good if you have a cluster with different CPUs architecture. I do though. So on node 1 is a different CPU model to node 3 and 4. So I should stick with the default. Guys, what is 4 gigabytes as this number? Is it 4096? Is that it? Is that 4 gigs of RAM? Yeah? Alright. I want to make this one so I can clone this one though. It doesn't need a VLAN, doesn't need any of that. Next. Finish. Okay. So now let's get the OS installed and then clone this one to the different boxes. Okay, let's go graphical install. Okay, English UK, British English, cool. Hopefully, this can use like my whole internet connection now to speed through this install. Also, installing Debian on NVMe instead of hard drive is so fast, dude. Dude, it's so fast. Apparently I blacklisted Deprachi. Yeah, I'm evil and twisted like that. I do things like that. Services dash node 1. Wait. I just realized something. Do I just want to name it services if I'm running it in a cluster? Because if I clone this, is it also going to clone the host name? Are the VMs separated on their own network, or do they seem to use the same network as PROXMOX? Same network. Yes, but you can change it later. Okay, I'll just call it services node 1 for now. Domain name, no. Root password. God, it's so cold in my office. Oh, I fucked it up. It's so cold in my office. My hands are cold. Nah, this radiator has so much air in it, it doesn't kick out any heat anymore. It was on the other day. Dude, there's no way. There's no way. Fair enough. You need to change your host name and IPv4 manually after cloning it. Okay. Danny? Can I have a coffee? I have no idea. Is there milk? Hold your hands over the CPUs. Dude, not gonna lie. Yeah, those things run hot as fuck. Oh, wait. I just realized something. Wait. Make sure you don't have multiple started if they're on the same MAC address. Hold your hands over the CPU. They do run hot. Wait, I just realized something. I love the difference between the Debian and Windows installer. One of them you press enter a lot. The other you get upsold every Microsoft Pocket product under the sun. Dude, honestly, honestly, Windows sucks. That's still waiting. I'm saying, wait, with running the services like this, what services do I run in this Docker cluster? So Ansible host needs to run it. And then I need to run Prometheus. What else do I need to run? Node Exporter. Does Node Exporter, if Node Exporter is running on a VM, does it export the data of the virtual machine, or does it export the nodes that the virtual machine is running on? The VM. So Node Exporter needs to run on the nodes, while Grafana needs to run in services. So the only services, Node Exporter just lets Prometheus pull the data. So, okay. So we need to run Node Exporter and Prometheus to get the data in Grafana. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. So Prometheus can run in the services VM. However, Node Exporter needs to run on the nodes. So I'm running Prometheus, Grafana, and Ansible on the services. Just install Node Exporter. Hey, what's up? Hey, Jordan, what's up, man? Basically, Jordan, here's what we're doing. I'm creating a services VM for the 3 nodes, and I'm running it using a Docker cluster for high availability using the VM virtual drives, rather than setting up ZFS on the nodes. So on the high availability services is where Ansible is going to run, Prometheus, and Grafana. So those 3 are running, while Node Exporter will run on the individual nodes, which I can add by going into the shell here and doing all that there. Yeah. The boiler's angry. That's why we have no... Oh wait, did we have milk? Yeah, we did. Oh, awesome, thank you. Was it in date? Yeah. Oh, great day. I think it's fine. Oh boy, I missed the notification. How's the cluster going? Right. Rather than doing like a hardware cluster, we've opted to do a Docker cluster, and I'm going to run multiple VMs on the nodes. Nah, this is crazy. Ain't no way you just said that. What does that mean? I didn't say anything. Depratu, what are you smoking, dude? Docker Swarm? That's cool. Yes, that's what we're setting up. Docker Swarm. It's not too late to ZFS. I'm not doing ZFS. I'm not doing ZFS. So much easier than Kubernetes. That's good, because I didn't want to do Kubernetes. All right, continue and reboot the system. Okay, whoo! Someone is chat hopping. Oh, okay. Tell him to leave me alone because I need my notes. What would ZFS be for? It was to try and cluster together on the virtual machine. What do you mean I'm blacklisted for funnies? You're not blacklisted, dude. Your chat's just coming in here screaming your name for no reason and I have no context. So mods probably added your name as a block term, to be honest. Teebs. I imagine that's what happened. Woo! Kubernetes is Docker if Satan was a dev. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so we're in services node 1. So now this is set up. I can take this DM and can I clone? Oh, sick. Okay. So I'm confused. Were you considering Ceph? No. I was just trying to learn more, honestly. And now we're setting up a Docker swarm for the Ansible host and also Grafana and Prometheus. So now, can we clone this to okay, what am I trying to do here? What's the best way to do this? Because realistically, how much high availability are we going to need for this? Is it worth me putting it on every single node? Or do I only really need 2? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Is there any time I'll need more than 2? Or should I just do 2? I mean, 3 is better than 2. How does it spread resources, though, is what I'm wondering. How does it spread the resources? So in this Docker Swarm, it will have a total, because I've given each one 4 threads, and I've given 4 gigs of RAM. It will have a total of, if I do 3, it will have 12 gigs. Honestly, I'd circle the high availability after you get the other stuff up. Circle back to high availability. So, okay. So, I just need to create 2 VMs for now then, just to get that set up, and then... Or should I clone it after I get the stuff set up on it? So if I just log in as root real quick. Oh, is that? I'm not tabbed it. Root. And then... Cool. Docker Swarm just picks a Docker host and place workloads on it. Okay, so how does those workloads get split over multiple VMs is what I'm wondering. Oh, this coffee's so nice. My hands are so warm. Essentially at random. Well, I don't like that very much. Okay, why don't we have a look at Docker Swarm? Docker Swarm. Show me how you work. Scaling. For each service, you can declare a number of tasks you want to run when scaling up or down. Okay. Okay. I can do that. It's not probably at random, but the point is to not worry about placement and let it handle it. Oh, okay. So I can basically add and take away nodes to the Docker Swarm willy-nilly and it won't disrupt any of the services? Is that kind of how it functions? You can say, hey, give me 5 of this, and it does it. Oh, okay. I'm not familiar with Docker Swarm. Is it similar to PROXMOX HA? Yes, I imagine so, yeah. A lot of this high availability software stuff is similar. Except Kubernetes. Kubernetes is evil. And if a container dies, it starts a new one? Oh, brill. Okay. Hello, Docker, may I have some resources? No, literally. Okay. So, where's the installation guide? Let's start with that. Installation. Okay. Wait. Oh, Debian is here. Oh, and that's what the system's running. So I need this one. That's the platform. And it's Debian. Okay. Where are the commands I copy and paste to install? How does Docker Swarm handle redundancy? So if one crashes, there's no disruption to services? Or do I have to set that up with the individual apps and containers? Does not have shared storage, but it can add places with packages. Oh, okay. It auto starts it again. Oh, okay. What if it needs to move the service to a different node? How does that work? Or is there no use case where it will ever have to do that? For Debian, yes, this is what I want. Install Docker Engine on Debian. Docker is only compatible with something legacy. Okay. Don't know what the fuck that means. Sure. Okay. Debian Bookworm 12 stable. That's what I have. Okay. Unofficial packages to install. So how do I install these packages? If you need to do shared storage, it's like it got reboot. If you need shared storage for now, just do ZFS. You'll need some way to share the storage for the database. That's likely a big use case. Nerds, you're stressing me out. I love you guys. Oh, NFS, not ZFS. Sorry. I love you guys, but I'm really starting to not understand. NFS is just file shares from Windows. Oh, okay. Installation methods. Run the following command to uninstall all conflicting packages. So is this the first step? God, they don't make this easy for scrubs to understand, man. So is this the first command I want to run to get rid of the conflicting packages? Need someone to store the data from Prometheus with all the VMs can access it? Oh, okay. High availability is a monster to tame. I know, but I feel like this will be to have my core. The docs are not meant to be for everyone to understand. That's fucking stupid. Make it so I don't need to go get a bajillion complicated level university degree to understand this shit. You have a NAS, right? It might be able to do ZFS for you. I haven't built it yet. Have the databases for Prometheus and such be on a NAS for high availability that contain... Okay. Easy. Okay, so basically, I have the database stored on a NAS, so I don't actually store any of the database or any of the tables on... Cool. Got it. So I don't need to set up... I don't need to set up the drive things for the VMs so they all do the same. That's fine. Right. Fellas, step 1. Docker Swarm. How do I start? Give me a step 1. Because I'm not understanding this. Installation methods. Set up Docker's apt repository. So this is the first command I write, yeah? Alright, so I'm just going to copy that. I'm just going to Control V that in here. Oh, no, what do I want here? I want to right click. How do I paste? Wait, that's 8 steps. That's 8 steps. SSH into it. You know what it means? It's putty time. It's putty time. Okay. What's your IP? What do I need? IPE -A? No. That didn't tell me anything. Am I stupid? Oh, IPA. Wait, okay, your IP address is 192.168.1. No. Your 192.168.1.117/24. Right? Is that you? Is that it? Yep, okay. So we're gonna go 192.168.1. What is your number? 117 slash... Oh, wait, no. Do I set the port to 24? Ignore the slash 24? Oh, okay. Then SSH open. Okay, wait. Key not catch the server. Oh, you have no guarantee the server is the computer. Accept. Woohoo! Oh, and look at him go. We want to log in as root with the root password. Uh-oh. He's thinking about it. Did I put the password in wrong? Uh-oh. What did I do? Hello? Hello? What? What? Okay, we're going to try to recreate that connection with my account rather than... We're going to go 192.168.1.117. We're going to log in as Toby. Hey! Okay, so root was blocked. Okay. And then I have to become root. Root login disabled by default? That's so fucking stupid. Alright. Then, we're going to take this big 8-step thing. Go to putty. Paste that bad, but do I just send it off now? Do I just send that off? No. No, I don't just send that off. Oh, no. Wait, yep, I do send that off? Send it? Well, I've just deleted most of it. Give me a sec. I'll repaste it. It's already got sudo. Wait, I don't think I've installed sudo. One line at a time? Okay. Wait, have I installed sudo? Sudo command not found. I need to install sudo. Oh my god. Okay. What is it? su root? Password. Okay. Now I don't need to use sudo. Let's just cd. Cool. Okay. Well, now we're the root user, so I didn't know that was possible. It's just the Debian install. Ubuntu, the first user, is by default a sudo user. For Docker install, wait, is Docker and Docker Swarm the same install? Oh, I need to apt get install sudo. Woohoo! All right. And now you're still a sudo user, just the sudo command isn't installed, really? Oh, it's installed now. All right. Now we're firing off the big one. I'm just going to do it as root because that's going to take forever otherwise. I'm firing off the big one. Fuck doing it one at a time. What's the worst that can happen? It's doing it! Oh my god, it's doing it! Oh my god, it's done. Okay. Step 2. If you do it as root, delete sudo at the start, it doesn't make a difference, I don't think. Step 2, install the Docker packages. You're next. Alright, boom, big paste. You want to continue? I always want to continue. Wait? Why did you say wait? Oh no. One at a time? Wait, I did them all. Now what? Oh no. Pressing Y without reading. You should do one at a time because some packages require confirmation. Oh, oops. Verify the installation is complete. Oh, it's done. If you have an error, you won't know the cause because the command... Oh, fair enough. Well, let's hope there's no errors, bro. So it's done now. So if I write Docker, hey, okay, got all my Docker commands. Cool. Cool. Do Docker run hello world. Now what? Docker. Now what do I do to see if it's running? Success? Oh, it just works? Oh, brilliant. You have Docker. Cool. Oh, Docker PS. Okay, and there's no containers running. Right. Now we need to make our containers. Okay. And honestly, instead of manually doing Docker Swarm, install Portainer. Oh, yes. Wait, I've seen this. Portainer. This is the web GUI for Docker and Kubernetes. Wait, I've seen Portainer. Wait, this is sick. Okay. Where's the documentation? Get started for free. Wait, you have to pay for this? Bruh, Portainer's cringe. You can get the community version. How do I get this? That's commercial. You want Portainer community / open source? Oh. Portainer community edition? Yay! This looks like a website that was made by nerds, which give me free shit. Okay. BE installation. Wait. Oh, what do I want? Oh, no. Community edition install information. All right. Set up community edition installation. Docker Swarm. Docker Swarm. Oh my god. Docker CE with Docker Swarm on Linux. Yep. Ubuntu, Debian even. Okay. First receive the YML stat. All right, you're first. You're the first command. Blammo. Done. All right. Then use YML manifest to deploy your stack. Okay. Blammo. Uh-oh. Wait. This node is not a swarm manager. Use Docker Swarm int or Docker Swarm join to connect this node to a swarm and try again. Wait. Okay. That's not a thing. Oh, I spelled swarm wrong. Swarm init. To add work to this swarm, run the following command. Ah, I need to save that. Wait, I need to save that. Give me that. To add a manager to the swarm. Okay. Okay, let's control C that. No, that's not what I wanted. How do I copy that? Oh, I did get that. Okay, wait. Let's just go notes real quick. Right. Oh, wait, no. Oh, God. That's a pack. That's not what I want. That's a pack. Notes. Notepad. Cool. Right. That's the command it gave me. We're going to save that. Good job this node is behind a firewall. Would be able to join everything. Yeah. Don't worry much about the managers for now. Just install Docker on the other VMs and join the swarm. Oh, So, okay, is it time for me to now... He leaked the key on stream? Dude, that's fine. It's behind a firewall, dude. You can't access this. Everything is local and nothing is forward-facing. Unless you physically come to my office and join my Wi-Fi, somehow guess my Wi-Fi password. It's the only way you can join the swarm. Okay, so do I not want to install Portainer now? Or before do I want to install Portainer before I clone the VM? Or do I just want to do that now? Either way, up to you. Okay, well, so I don't have to install Portainer on all of them. I guess I'll do that now. So what was the command I ran a little bit ago? Let's run that. Are you setting up PROXMOX to host Pterodactyl? No, I'm going to host Pterodactyl on a server not on my local network. So then if the website gets DDoSed, my local network doesn't. Okay, so Docker PS. Hey, Portainer's running on port 8000. So we want to go to... It's just going to be Wings Daemon then? Yep, that's the plan. Since I see the Wings VM. Yeah, so these virtual machines will only run the Wings Daemon. And then that will go to... Basically, I have this panel already set up. And I'm just going to add them into here. You don't need Portainer. It can just be Docker CE. I want Portainer for the graphical interface, bruh. Contacts, X system admin for a Minecraft server host. Oh, cool. Or are the nodes going to be in a data center too? Yeah, I'll co-locate them once I get it all up and running. It's just easier to build them in my office and test them. Let me have the graphical interface, man. Okay, so how do I access this? So I need the IP of this node, which we know is so 192.168.1.117:8000 is Portainer, right? Oh wait, that'd be sick. Where are you going? Tesco's is good. Could I get some fried chicken wrap and just some meal deal stuff? And also, if you're there, could you grab me a Tesco's Finest like oven meal for my dinner? I had the 4 cheese macaroni cheese yesterday, but oh wait, can you see if they have like Hunter's chicken? Like, you know what I mean? Like the one with barbecue sauce wrapped in bacon? Hell yeah. I did the IP address, 168. So this is not found? Oh, I like that one as well. Wait, so what do you mean not found? Is this not running? Do HTTPS? Oh. I don't think I did an SSL cert though. No, this doesn't exist. Oh. Oh. What did I do wrong? How do you have the network interacting outside of PROXMOX? It might not be able to see port 9443. Really? I trust you. I trust you. I trust you. Don't lie to me. Oh, and just... Oh my god. Oh my god. The goat has spoken. Password must be 12 characters long. I fucking hate IT people. Much love, chatters. Password 1 2 3 4. Cool. What? People leave. No, I'm sorry. Good thing I'm not getting into it. It's on local network, bruh. It's on local network, bruh. It's on local network. You're a hater. You're a hater. Surely the password can be password 1234 for a little bit. Right? Yellow guy with hands up. Before you put this data in a data center and some poor person has to change all the passwords. Fine, I'll change the password. I'll do... There. Cool. Done. Oh my god! That's my thing, dude! And it's detecting my 4 gigs of RAM and my 4 cores! That's my thing! Wait, what are my containers? What's friendly Ruben? Oh, I can delete that now. It's just hello world. Remove. Oh my god! Honestly, when it goes into the data center, you'll want to rebuild this all from scratch because you have realized there's much better ways to do it all. Okay. So dashboard. What am I trying to see? Wait, where was I? Services? Nope. Stacks? Nope. Oh my god. Networks? Nope. What is this? Help. Stack? Nope. Services? Nope. Volume? No, where's my little guy? Where's my guy I had? What happened to my guy? My dude? My fam? Environment related? Environment? Where? I don't know where he's gone. Dashboard? Go to cluster visualizer. Yay! Wait, that's him! That's him! That's my dude! Oh my god! Okay, wait. Massive day. Massive day, dude. Massive day. Okay. Nodes. How do I see the nodes? These VMs aren't hosting wings. They're not. These are hosting the services. These are hosting my local network services. This is the first time I've personally seen Portainer used for wings. Always was told by my CTO that it would break things because the scripts that Damon uses. Yeah, no. This is being used for purely Prometheus, Grafana, and Ansible. I'm just doing it in high availability because I can learn. Okay. So, now this is all working. We need to up our swarming game, which means we need to go into PROXMOX and we need to clone this. Clone. We're going to put this on node 3 and we're going to do 201. The name is services. Resource pool. No. Okay. Wait, what's wrong? Why is it telling me it can't do that? Hello? What? Huh? Node play hosting 3 is not allowed for this action? Huh? Help me. Oh, is node 3 a different node to the original VM? Yeah. Oh, I can clone to node 1. Why can't I clone to node 3? Loser node. What the hell? Start off with it on the same one, then move it. Bruh. Okay. Clone. We're going to call the ID 201. I'm going to use 200 IDs for services. How do you spell services? Is it like that? What am I doing wrong here? Have I spelled that right? Services. Yeah. Yeah, I did that. All right. Yeah. Clone. All right, Pookie. You can do this. Wait, where'd he go? Why'd he fail? Failed? No, it failed because there isn't enough storage. I can't Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna freak. I'm gonna freak. Because node 1 doesn't have enough storage to clone the VM. I'm just gonna have to remake it all. I'm just gonna have to remake it all. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert to template. Yes. Ah! Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna do a shut down now. Cool. You're not running now, are you? Why does it say it's online? Okay. Convert to template. Yes. Convert it to template status. Okay. Create VM. Where's template? Where is that? How do I... Bruh? Node 3. Create VM. Where... How large were the VM disks? 32 gigabytes. It didn't need to be more than that. How do I create VM? How do I do it from a template I've just created? Do any of the other nodes have 64 gigabytes free? Yeah, these two nodes here both have... Oh, wait, where is it? LVM. They both have 57 gigs free. This one here just only has 33. Right click the template. Where is the template? Template. Create a template on 3 and then convert it to template. What? Your VM is now a template. Clone. Can I clone it to 3? No, I still can't clone it to 3. Full clone. Huh? Huh? What am I doing? Clone. Full clone. 2001. Name services. Clone. It's gonna let me do that? No, not enough storage. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my damn mind. Oh my god. Right. Right. We're just gonna create the virtual machine again from scratch. That's gotta be what we gotta do. That's gotta be what we gotta do, guys. It's cooked. Danny! Danny's gone. Right. How do I start this? Wait, why is it not letting me start this VM? Why is it not letting me... Why can't I start this? Because it's a template? Oh my god, how do I undo that? How do I undo that now? Oh my god. Oh my god! These super large VM disks are kind of a problem. There doesn't seem to be any way to fix it. Control Z! Oh my god. Oh my god! I'm gonna lose my mind! How do I unmake it a template? Nodes. Node 1. Ah! More. Oh my god. It's too late. I actually can't believe it. Why did I make it a template? Why? Ah, I'm so stupid. Put it in rice, I don't know, man. Oh my god. I see how. How? What do I do? Sensei? Tell me. This is gonna be interesting. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to go into the node, aren't I? And nano edit a file. That's my guess. Because that's what I had to do. That's what I had to do to fix the display names. Yeppers? Okay, what's it? Nano /etc/ what's it? PEVE / what file am I editing? PVE / QEMU-server. Oh, wait, I've done that wrong. / QEMU-server. There's nothing here. Oh, can you ls? Oh, I need to cd? Okay. Oh my god. ls? There's nothing in this file. Oh, no such directory? Oh, okay, no, it is just a nano file. You need the slash at the start? Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay, wait. Damn. ls? Ah, conf 200. I see it. That's it. Okay. Nano 2. Woohoo! Template. Set that to 0. Right? Oh, delete the line? Oh, okay. Control O, enter, control, oh no, control X. Oh my god, now refresh. I'm so happy. Oh, hey. Sorry, I'm doing some stuff. It's meeting time. No, not yet. You've got like 10 minutes. Oh, okay. Dude, have you seen my little data center I've built back there? No, I haven't. I'm gonna have a look. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm cooking. Streamer's cracked. I'm cracked, man. I'm learning. Right, then what we're going to do is we're going to create VM. We're just going to create it manually. We're going to go straight to 3. We're going to give it an ID 201. Name services. Cool. Next. That install. Cool. Cool. Love that. Love that. 32 gigs of RAM. Cool. Can always change that later. We're going to give it 4 threads. Cool. Memory. We're going to go with 4096. Brilliant. Network default. Cool. Confirm. Cool. Finish. Gonna get that on the go. Oh my god. So while that's cooking up, we're then gonna create services. Dude, it helps me spell it. Allow it. Then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go onto node 4. And then we're gonna go 202. Name services. Next OS. Debian 12. System. Is there a specific installer ISO for Debian? I'm normally doing Ubuntu, but a server ISO might be faster to install. I'm just using the Debian net install. Teebs. I think it's all just one. 4096. Next up, network. Cool. Confirm. Bish bash bosh. Cool. Wait, is it snowing outside?
No, it's like sleet. It's like almost snow.
Dude, it's not cold enough.
It was snowing for like a brief second. It's pretty cold. It's like when it gets further to the ground, it will snow. It's not set.
Damn. Wait, which one just... Wait, did one of these didn't start? Which one didn't start? We're going to go graphical install. I don't think that top one... I don't think that one started. Thank you, boss. Not graphical. I want the graphical install. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm doing things slowly. It's so slow though. Dude, it makes no difference. It's such a waste of resources. But it's not actually running a graphical interface. It's just the installer is graphical. There's no desktop environment. It's still the same server.
Oh, it's snow now.
Oh my god, it is. Wait, it's snowing big time outside. Host name, this is services node 3. Just don't install GNOME this time, I know. Services, wait, is this on node? No, this is on node 4. Services node 4. Domain name, nope. Wait, it's snowing big time outside. What the hell? When are we meeting, Danny? When about? Right now? Okay. All right, chat. Tech time is done for today. Tech time's done for today. We didn't get as much done as I was hoping. We only just created some more virtual machines. But we're getting some good architecture going. You know what I mean? I feel it in my fingers and my toes. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Main later, you know it. Main will be at 6 p.m. We'll be hitting it big. New sub goal. Fund the server addiction. You know the drill. Next time you do tech time, I want to be shown how to make your VM disks not take up all the disk space. Okay, sounds good. Snowball fight stream later today? Dude, the snow's not going to settle. It's so wet. It's just going to melt. The ground's not cold enough. Alright. Bye, nerds. See ya later, nerds. We'll continue our quest. Maybe later tonight. Maybe later tonight we sneak in a second ult stream of the day. Chances are we don't, but but we could do. We could do. After main. Alright. Bye, boys. Bye.